Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. So happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone. Looks like the U.S. Midwest weather is going to change a little bit. We're going to see cooler temperatures over the next week or two, and still mostly normal to below rainfall. So we're starting to get a little bit of concern in some of the drier areas of the Midwest that this pattern, if it was continue, would be bad. So a few people, though, are suggesting that this early dryness might help early plantings, and historically, especially for the corn, early plantings are normally good for the highest yield potential. Over in the beans, overnight prices are a little bit lower. We're taking some of the demand premium out of the marketplace. Looks like Brazil is doing a little bit better job of exporting and farmers selling. Argentina's still kind of a mess, and we're still not sure how much farmer selling is going on down there and how much demand, especially on the meal side, they're satisfying. The beans will be looking ahead at the March 31st report and trying to come up with an idea if farmers will plant more bean acres in the U.S. here in 2015 if that compares to where prices are. Over in the corn, market is pretty quiet. We're at the lower end of the trading range. Open interest keeps going up, pretty dramatic yesterday. I think on one hand, the people are concerned about demand in corn, and that the government on March 31st will find more stocks than last year. But on the other hand, this dryness in the West may cause an issue with 2015 yields and could support prices down the road. In the wheat market, it seems to be the market that has the most focus. Even though European prices are down, even though Black Sea prices are cheaper than U.S. wheat, there is concern about weather here in the U.S. plains and also in Russia. So it's a weather market, and those are always pretty volatile, pretty choppy, and pretty unpredictable. So wheat market unchanged overnight. We bounced up off the recent lows, and we'll see if there's any more short covering with the funds. Still pretty big shorts in the market as we go into the spring growing season, both here and in Russia. Outside markets, dollar's lower, crude's lower, and U.S. equities are lower. We do see higher Asian stock prices, and Germany is much higher in their equity prices. So in general, we're just kind of passing time until the March 31st report, and we know more about U.S. and Northern Hemisphere spring weather. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or in ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.